Welcome to Dr. Sourav Sir Classes. So today we are solving ISI MMath MMA paper. So here we are solving the question 2 of 2025. So here we are given a matrix and we have to find out 1 as an eigenvalue it's been given. So to find out the determinant of A equals to how much. So now we know that what are eigenvalues? Eigenvalues are roots of the characteristics polynomial. Okay, so now we know that determinant of A minus lambda I is 0. So that is A minus lambda 1, 2, 3 minus lambda is 0. So now using a 2 by 2 determinant, so A minus lambda 3 minus lambda, we are finding out the determinant is equal to 0. Okay, so now since 1 is an eigenvalue, what we can plug in? Lambda is 1. So then it will be A minus 1, 3 minus 1 minus 2 is equal to 0. Or A minus 1, 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Or 2A minus 2 is equal to 0.
Phone number for आपके पास है?
So here A will be 4 or A will be 2. Okay. So now we have to use the value of this to find the determinant of A. So now the matrix becomes A is equals to 2, 1, 2, 3. So that is determinant of A is equals to 2, 3 minus 2. So that is 6 minus 2. So that is 4. So my correct answer is option 4.